Hey, Joy Blue here, and I want to tell you about the length function inside of the SQL language. So the length function allows you to see how long a column or a field is. And so in this case, I am going to select from the employee table from our SQL Training Online Simple Database. And I want to see how long each of the employee names are. So what you do is to use the length function, you just type len and then a parenthesis, and then you put the column you want to look at. In this case, I want to look at employee name. And so let's do and execute on that, and we can see how long each of the names are. Well, I want to go ahead and also bring back not just the length of employee name, but the actual column itself, so we can compare the operations here. So you can see Smith is 5 characters long, Martin is 6 characters long, King is 4 characters long. So that allows you to look at the length of that. So what we want to do now, let me pull back the whole table. We want to look at the salary column. And since salary is a decimal, let's see how length works on that. So let's go ahead and select the salary column. And then let's do a length on the salary column. And so let's execute that. And it works just fine. You can see that for 5,000, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it also counts the decimal to make it 7 characters. So that's the length function inside the SQL Server. It becomes very handy when you're trying to see how big a column is. Many times, what you can also do is combine length with the maximum function. So if you had a big list of columns here, and you want to know what the biggest one is, you just put a max around the length. And now when I execute this, I can see that the biggest column is 7. We can do the same thing with the employee name. And you can see the biggest field is going to be 6. That's the most characters used. So that's the length function inside of the SQL language.